So all we did so far was put masking tape right up under the spoiler, and then we're gonna do the measurements, line it up, put markings, and then we'll start drilling and getting everything going. Hold that. So once you get it taped up there, then you're able to know like where you're gonna put your hose at. So you just measure it first off by the backup camera in the middle. You line your first hole up, the middle hole with that, and then you should have pretty much pristine or accuracy of where you're gonna put your hose at. And you don't want to put your hose beforehand. That way you know where you're drilling at, because you only get to do it one time, or you're gonna need a whole new spoiler.
Gotta explain what you're doing.
Alright, so now we're about to use some white paint marker just to basically mark the holes so that we know where exactly we're gonna drill at. And then once we mark them, then we'll be able to start drilling. And once you start drilling, it ain't no going back after that. We got the spots where we want to drill. It's best that you don't drill with the Wickerbill up there. It's best to take it down, drill, then put the first piece on, lock it in place, make sure it fits, make sure everything's snug. Then you'll be able to go ahead and start drilling the rest of the holes, popping the rivets in, and then getting everything locked into place. So what I'm gonna do next is take the tape off. Now is the scariest part. So now as you make your first hole, we've already lined it up, made sure it fit nice. So we're starting off with the, I think it's the 3/1/4 screw. Start with a smaller, not screw, I'm sorry, drill bit. Start with a smaller drill bit, make your incision, then go in with the bigger drill bit, because if you mess up with a smaller drill bit, it's easier to fix than with a bigger drill bit. I know that from experience on mine. That shit was not fun.
That be some clean, bro. Hey,
appreciate it.
But that be hard, bro. Appreciate it, bro. Bro, your shit loud as fuck, bro.
Oh, no, that's his shit.
I like both of y'all shit. I like that blue one.
That boy might hear that bit every morning he wake up.
Facts. I start up at what, 5:40 every morning? Alright, so when you're making the incision, you want to be at a little bit of an angle, and you want to give it enough force to where the drill bit doesn't go all over the place and start just fucking shit up. But you also don't want to go too far in and then come out on the other side. You'll see how this will just slide in there now. All right?
Oh, yeah.
Now is the part where, oh, I actually left the rib nut tool inside. Give me a second. Huh?
You got a YouTube or something?
I do.
What's the name?
Huh?
What's the name?
Mine?
Yeah.
BK Vendo.
What type of videos you post? Okay, so you're
Cars.
making a YouTube video right now?
Yeah, brother. On the original tool, you just want to twist the, I forget what these are even called, but it's a piece of the hardware that comes with it. You want to twist it on there, and then you're going to apply that pressure and it'll swell up into this hole. Now that's nice and snug in there. In my opinion, this is probably like the easiest part. You literally just twist these on and then just pop them in. And it's so crazy to me because at first they don't look like they're gonna fit, but then once you crimp these mugs in there, oh yeah, I forgot, it makes it easier when you I've been doing it a lot harder, but when you clamp these while you're twisting it out, it makes it a lot easier. I don't know, for whatever reason, making that hard on myself. I guess that was just a small tip I forgot. Alright, so this part's done. Yeah, you do the honors. Peel it off. This all just dirt that's gonna come off. Yes, sir. And that's how you install a Wickerbill. My boy got right. His shit looking good. Don't try to jack his style. Go do your own shit. Just know we about to have the hardest chargers in Hinesville, regardless of what you think. The most incredible, that means we coming for you too, brother. Anyways, like, leave a comment, subscribe. If you know something I don't know, drop it in the comments. Help me learn. But yeah, anyways, that's it. We out. Peace.